I love the drifting. It's so great on the wet pavement. It's awesome. Well, folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC and Parking Lot Wars for June 2024. It's a rainy one today. We're doing it anyway, rain or shine. We just ran through our first couple of little heats of Tamiya class. We're now kind of sorting it by Tamiya TT class, Kyosho box stock phaser, and short course open. Now I'm up again in Tamiya. All right, this is the Kyosho time.
Okay,
in the wet.
For the second race, best out of 3. Racers ready? 1,
Kyosho phasers.
3, go!
Ooh, spot.
That was right. But you're the right thing.
It was pouring earlier. Now it's actually stopped raining, but we're on slick, wet pavement now.
This has more power. Last lap. Last lap to down.
All right. I love the drifting. It's so great on the wet pavement. It's awesome. Oh, spit out.
Whoa, he almost came back.
Oh.
Whoa. Look up your car. Don't worry about Dan's car. Go, go.
Oh.
Change your tires and you'll drift too.
Okay. Full send. Full send. Yeah, that was pretty smooth.
I wasn't full speed.
Oh, he held back a little bit, he says. Oh, you see what you've done here. Now your son's gonna break his truck. Here comes the two-wheel drive associated. Yeah, good job. That was nice.
The cars on the track real quick
Fun day of parking lot wars. Here's all the trucks we ran and cars. Pretty awesome.